Yeah, check it. Jobseekers, here's the plan. Turn your dreams to reality from the jump to the end. Man, first step, open up the chat, type for your goals. Say ChatGPT, help me build a resume that's gold. Start with your name, contact info on top. Add your email, phone number, make it pop. ChatGPT, help me shine bright. Step by step, get my resume right. From the basics to the skills, we gon' thrive with this AI. My career's alive. Second step, education, where'd you study at? List your school, your degree, and where it's at. Add the dates you attended, make it clear. Show them you've got the knowledge, make your future near. Third step, work experience, bring the heat. Job title, company name, make it neat. Describe your role, what you did, what you achieved. Quantify results, let them see and believe. ChatGPT, help me shine bright. Step by step, get my resume right. From the basics to the skills, we gon' thrive with this AI. My career's alive. Skills section next, both hard and soft. What can you do? Don't leave anything off. Leadership, coding, teamwork, and more. Highlight your strengths, make them roar. Certifications, awards, don't forget. Add those extras, you're not done yet. Volunteer work, interest, show you around it. With ChatGPT, your resume's grounded. Now let's format, make it sleek, clear and concise. Make it unique, no typos, clean lines. Professional vibe, with ChatGPT's help you'll surely thrive. Review it once, review it twice. Make adjustments, keep it nice. Save it as a PDF, you're good to go. Thanks to ChatGPT, you're ready for the show. ChatGPT, help me shine bright. Step by step, get my resume right. From the basics to the skills, we gon' thrive with this AI. My career's alive. Now you're set, hit the job scene strong. With ChatGPT, can't go wrong. From start to finish, your resume's tight. Job seekers take flight with your future in sight. Yeah, check the future in sight. Now you're set, hit the job scene strong. With ChatGPT, can't go wrong. From